Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Spotify won't open in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to open your Spotify, you must see the error that is Spotify won't open. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just go to your settings app and setting, click on apps and then click on install apps. And now here you just have to look for Spotify app, just scroll down and here you'll find your Spotify app. Just click on these three dots. Then click on an advanced option. Scroll down and here you will see the option of repair. So the very first you can try to repair your app, or if it doesn't work for you, so you can try to reset the app. Just click on reset. It will reset all the app settings including accounts. So after that your app will be fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to completely uninstall that app. Just click on uninstall option, then click on uninstall. So it will completely uninstall Spotify from your PC, from your laptop. And once you have done, you just have to reinstall this app from your Microsoft Store. Just open Microsoft Store, and here you just have to go for search and search for Spotify. Once you have searched, you will get that app. Just click on this and then click on this install option to install this app on your PC again. So in this way you can easily fix if Spotify is not opening in your PC or in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.